Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Meta Business Suite for ads and pixels, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Facebook account. Navigate to the Meta Business Suite homepage. Locate the Business Settings option in the menu. Click on Data Sources to expand the section. Select Pixels under the Data Sources menu. If you already have a pixel, click on it to access its settings. To create a new pixel, click on the Add button. Follow the prompts to name your pixel and enter your website URL. Once created, find the pixel ID displayed on the screen. Now, navigate to your advertisement settings in the Meta Business Suite. Click on the Ad Accounts section within Business Settings. Select the ad account you wish to connect to your pixel. In the Settings tab, scroll down to find the Pixels section. Click Add Pixel and enter the pixel ID you noted earlier. Ensure that the pixel is verified by checking its status. Next, head to the Events Manager in the Business Suite. Click on Add Events to start configuring your pixel events. Choose the type of events you want to track, such as page views or purchases. Install the provided pixel code on your website as per the instructions. Verify that the pixel is firing correctly using the Pixel Helper Chrome extension. Return to the Events Manager and check for any received data. You may want to set up custom conversions if applicable. Click Custom Conversions in the Events Manager menu. Enter the rules and parameters for your custom conversion. After configuring everything, ensure to save your changes. Regularly monitor your pixel data within the Events Manager. Make adjustments as needed to improve your ad targeting and effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.